Iya, kopi. Oke,
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KTODC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the call for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui STC.
Angmutan Bhavaranjan Riyam, TTADC atau dengan member sekretariat Subagrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, dia ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni de ain studi kami putih de ake aini kabai de kamu angai ma tiba ye aki
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar to march march. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur.
Kokono.
Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
Au. Anilah beliau saja dong kata terus. Ang noka. Ronald Leoro, dia toma pagi main. Ronald bisa sini siang naik.
Kalau kami ano waktu kami kamu kapai upai karnai
Jadi jangan nahan mea orang kena bagi jawab di sini. Norka.
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, 5 Chaman. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chelenka.
Norka. Ani fikir kan?
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছি আগামী দেবে বোঝেন উত্তর নামে প্রবোধ বোধি ধর্ম মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে এ কামনে প্রতিদিন দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈকে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বোধি ধর্ম প্রতিদিন বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanchara Kachuchara.
Iya sih, pokoknya nih mau. darah hanya saya pokok ini
Nadi.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ne Adong Mungui Tongkat Maya Dulu Kaitoni Mungui Sumai Tangui Sado Kurakti Koito Kenargui Sumai Tangui Sado Barot Elembati Disingti Kada Kerongno Koito Kubui Orok Komui Ang Wokjagui Kongmani Samungno Abai Kubai Tangan
Now I call upon Sri Katrachoriyan, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
out hari bisa betul. Selamat.
Ang Musang Sampradiriyan Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tunjuk paimon yok wo isono duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono se krok kiye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tenyok mo pa kerong rai darauno mukha bai hatiye mukhrong bom jaye ani satawo pau tenyok mo samung rauno ang abai kubai ke tangai Now, I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
Out kita.
Ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui, Chonggamani Yabulo, Mahaduri Mungui, Sumai Tangui Sajawo, Gerakhe Putu Nargui, Sumai Tangui Sajawo, Barokni Elembati, Isingtui, Hajar Kerangno, Putu Kubui, Horok Komui, Ano Bokjagui, Tongmani Samungno, Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai. Now, I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Chandra.
Markale. Bona nih, gimana?
Musang Rajeswar Dapama, Ibra Travel Area Ramad Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yanalo, Kaitonis, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Rake Putu Naragi, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Sinki, Adak, Karangno, Putu, Ubui, Barong, Bomui, Anu Baktakma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Amat.
Angkat muka. Oi. Sian na bayan.
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Debama, 11 Maharani Purtoliyama.
Masina. Muka.
Ang Muntah Department, the tribal area of Mohammed District Council, Adong di Pangkat Asiago. Terakhir Putu Naragi, Maitani Sakau. Orang Elambat di Sinti, Hadak Erono, Kuitu Kui. Orang Omoi, Anak Poksak Paris Hamu, Dok Habek Kubai Kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Debarma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Musang James Debarma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yago, Kaitonis Sumai Tangi, Grakya Puerto Naragi, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Barat Elambat ni Bisintu, Hazak Yarangno, Puerto Kumui, Khorok Bomui, Ana Bagzagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Warga Johambai.
Kenal sini. Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Debarma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gaduh. Yang kamera display ni dia.
Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Tonggoi, Tongkatma, Yakulo, Kaitoni Mungoi, Samai Kandis Hao, Paro, Elambakni, Isingkui, Hadak, Eramo, Oito, Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kobai, Anai. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia Deparma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Rocky Nagar.
I would thank Rulia Deparma, the Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma, Yakulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadao, Pirate Poito, Narake Sumai Tangi Sadao, Paro, Elambagno Pisinti, Hazak Kerono, Poito Kupui, Orokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kupai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Deparma, 15, Jirania ST.
Bro.
Mustan, Jagadish Jagor, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma Yakulo, Ishwani Munti Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Karate Puito Naragoi, Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Bhalo, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak, Yaramno, Puito Kubui, Korok Bonui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Samuno, Habai, Kobai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Deparma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
And Muslim the former, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma Yakulo, Kaitoni Mungi, Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Karate Poito Narake, Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Paro, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Orokomui, Bokjagui, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Deparma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajo Nagar ST. Masakti kita Deporma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni Hadam Jut Munggai, Chongdak Pani Yakulo, Kaitoni Munggai, Berakit Samai Takni Hadawo, Barat Hakotoni Ilembak ni Fishing Tree, Hadap Keramo Puto Tawul, Kubui Korok Bomoi, Ano Bogdamani Baca Tabas Kamungo, Habai Kubaino Karna, Josona.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dev Verma, 18 Katarzala Jambu Jala.
Macam Suraj Dev Verma, Tripura Sab Dudukai, Kosa Angkor Koksa, Adon Munggai, Songdama Yak, Kaitoni Pulis, Mai Ado, Terakhir Koito Naragai, Mai Ado, Barat Elam Bab, Isinti Kata Kerongni Koito, Ubui, Kok Morokai, Ano Kok Tomani, Tomani Sama, Sabai Ubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, 19 Amtali, Dolaghar.
Machan Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Munggai, Songchakma Yagulo, Kaitoni Samai Tangai, Hazaro, Berakit Puito Naragai, Samai Tangai, Hazaro, Barat Elam Bab Fishing Koi, Hazak Kerongno, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomoi, Ano Boksari, Alone Hamono, Habai Kubai Tangai. Belanya.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Ilarapa.
Ang Portuton Betul ya. Di sini atau Maya Kolot, Tongdam Maya Kolot, Matai Kotor, Papa Koryani Munggai, Semai Tangui Sadau, Barat Kotor ni Elembak, Ada Kerama Angkoto Payu, Di Ani Sakau Bangka Kodano, Habai Kubai, Bakro Kongui Samuntanai, Amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tay Bala Horicham Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kutanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elam Baki Bisingkuri Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungno Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bhagwan Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampinagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge that duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
Ang Musang Bahanga Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आधा हुए चंद्रमा यागलो काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस साधवो ग्रामीण कुलकुल नारगो समाज कांग्रेस साधवो भारत एलन बागने उसी पे खजानी खजर केरला बुद्ध दुबई पर बोंबो यानो बंजाबे कम्पनी सामना खाबाई दुबई कांग्रेस
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasi.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatoi from Saya Layakna, Vishwani Mumbai Soita Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karoye, India Hami, Roito Royan Tomodoi Maninai, Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai, Samun Kaka, Kaka.
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 26, Bir Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura, 27, Purba Mohipur, Buratali.
कोई
Musang Deputy Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Songsak Mayagulo, Kaitoni Mungui, Maitangai Sazago, Parot Elembak Dibisikte, Saza Kerogno, Puichu Kubui, Korok Bogoi, Ano, Bogzagoi Company, Sabongno, Kabai Kubai Kanai, Abai.
Now, I call upon Sri Anjam Mom 28 Silachari Manubangkul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Englico Tomani. Jasmana Kasha Karone, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান টাইম সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব
अबनो सागलायनानै तब जोंनि चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर दिनैनि समायथामानि प्रोग्रामाव बाइक होनाय बिखाया होनाय हामबाय